Neil, save it for the video.
What?
Save it for the video.
I'm going.
Now?
Yeah.
Good. Tell me my burp is this one.
Oh my god.
She has the bag over her head. She has the bag over her head.
Go for it. I wanted that to happen.
Wait, I need a hole for my mouth.
Oh my god. I just thought on purpose.
Fart like that?
It would go up and then you'd be able to smell it.
You should go to YouTube and type in farting videos.
I'm trying, you guys make me laugh.
It's like your boyfriend. Okay, stop it now.
No, Ari has to do it.
Pause it then.
I can't pause it.
Ari, get their ass in here.
Ari has the bag on her face.
Ari, get down.
She has to.
Come on, burp. It's recording, Ari. What? It's recording.
Oh, it's not.
Yes,
Yeah,
it is.
Fuck. Ari has the bag over her head. It smells like chicken in here.
Okay, stop it now. Let's watch it.
No, do it again.
Fuck you.
Let me do it again. Wait.
Fuck it. Fuck off, bitch.
Ari, how the fuck do you do that?
Stupid slut.
Stupid slut.
I'm a bored bitch. Wait a bitch.
It stinks. It stinks in here.
What the fuck did you just say? Let's watch the movie. I want to watch the video.
On the
Shut
internet.
up. Let me watch the
Are you
video.
on the internet?
Are you on the
Do the biggest one you can do.
Are you on the internet?
No.
Are you on the internet?
Everybody else
Are
in
you
there.
on the internet?
You can't even see Lucas.
Hey, Lucas.
Are you on the internet?
Video.
Let's watch the video. I want to see it
I
now.
want the baggie on my head.
I want to see the video right now. Shut up!
I don't think the hole is big enough for a penis.
Turn it off. Goodbye, bitch.
Alright, it's done recording.